I'm एडवोकेट प्रदीप शुक्ला, प्रैक्टिसिंग इन बॉम्बे सिंस 48 ईयर्स। आज जो मेरी यूट्यूब चैनल एडवोकेट प्रदीप शुक्ला में एक सेक्शन 138 का जजमेंट ड्रॉप करने जा रहा हूँ। इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर ऑल दी लिटिगेंट, एडवोकेट्स, बैंक्स, फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस। फैक्ट्स शॉर्ट में बताऊँगा, इट्स अ वेरी लेंथी जजमेंट। कि ऐसा हुआ था कि लाइबिलिटी वॉज देयर फॉर मोर देन 1 करोड़ और NCLT में order was passed where the company was declared insolvent. Now, procedure in the insolvency petition is that resolution professionals will be in charge of entire company. However, one check was given of 1 crore which was bounced, and under section 138 of Negotiable Instrument Act, which is popularly known as the check bouncing matter, so complaint was filed. Easily defense was taken that since the company is wind up, resolution professional should be the person doing it, and this is for the recovery. So the directors are not liable. Now these contentions were not upheld by the court. It was under contention that there is also a section 141 of Negotiable Instrument Act, which adds the liability of the director. Now, liability of the director, this is though ultimately it may be considered as a recovery proceeding, but it is not a civil nature. There is an involvement of even the fine, imprisonment, and what not depends on the facts and the judge mind where what is the predate and what is the defense. But this defense particularly, just because the company was wind up, it was not acceptable to the court. And ultimately, the directors were convicted, and the reason given was under section 141 of the Negotiable Instrument Act. Liability of the director will not be wiped off just because the company is wind up. It's a very important judgment because so many times it is felt that abhi company wind up ho gayi to kya. So people should take note of this, that even if the company is wind up, insolvent, declare bhi ho gayi ho, then too personal liability of the directors continues, and the complaint under section 138 of Negotiable Instrument Act is maintainable against the director. Thank you.